In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can update apps on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but go ahead and start from the Roku home screen right here and just navigate over to where all your apps are. Once you're on your apps, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit this little like star icon, and it's going to begin loading the app information. For example, we're doing this on Netflix. Essentially hit check for updates right here, and it's going to begin checking for updates. And if there is an update, it's going to automatically do it like it is doing for me right now on Netflix. If there's not an update, it'll tell you that the app is already up to date. But as soon as it does update for you, just simply hit OK and you're good to go. And you're going to have to do this for pretty much every single app that you have on here. For example, Fandango will do it for this as well. Let's see. Oh, looks like there's an update for this as well. How about Prime Video? We'll try this as well. Oh, looks like there is also an update. Oh my gosh, I had a lot of updates. It's been a while since I've used my Roku. But yeah, that is it. That is how you can go ahead and update apps here on your Roku TV or streaming device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.